Preston has been building confidence in both CPR training instructors and their students for over 20 years with the use of our professional CPR training mannequins. Preston's anatomically correct designs, durable construction, and intuitive feedback have successfully prepared students with the confidence and skills necessary to perform high-quality CPR when needed. Using the same trusted design of the professional Manikin, Preston is expanding our advanced feedback offering to include the Professional Adult, Pro Plus, Female, Child, and Infant Series 2000 Manikins. Through a Bluetooth connection to the Preston CPR Feedback app, the Series 2000 Manikins monitor and report compression rate, depth, recoil, ventilation, hands-off time, and chest compression fraction on both Apple and Android devices. In combination with Preston's traditional CPR feedback light system, the Series 2000 Manikins offer a unique, dual-purpose training solution, providing instructors the option to train with advanced or basic feedback. All Series 2000 ventilation lung bags use the same easy-to-install Preston design, with the addition of a breath sensor. Compression rate is monitored through an intuitive speed dial, while depth and recoil are shown in a sliding bar with easy-to-understand red and green indicators. An audible beep also indicates the appropriate compression depth. When administering breaths, hands-off time is reported along with the number and duration of breaths, while breath volume is reported in the sliding bar. When the session has ended, a summary table will be provided. The app is equipped with a reporting feature that allows results to be stored and easily downloaded, or sent directly from the app. The Preston Professional Adult, Pro Plus, Female, Child, and Infant Series 2000 Manikins are available in both medium or dark skin tones, and in a single or 4-pack. To learn more, visit Preston.com or contact your Preston authorized distributor today.